welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be part 2 of the Halloween decor haul, Dollar Tree haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hopefully I don't go over 10 minutes, but we'll see. I hit the jackpot on the Halloween ribbon. I was so excited. You just don't even know. And I think I got 2 of every one that they had pretty much. There was a couple there that I didn't really like, so I didn't grab those. But anyway, I just love, on Halloween, I love sugar skulls, I love witches, I love bats. I mean, I just love Halloween altogether. And I love making wreaths and stuff for Halloween. They're so fun. So anyway, I seen these right here, and oh my goodness, if you like sugar skulls, you've got to get this ribbon, guys. And I'm telling you, when you see it, grab it, because if you don't, it won't be there. But these are so cool. It is 9 feet, and it's 2.5 inch wired ribbon. So cool. I grabbed 2 of those. I just love sugar skulls. Just love them. So I grabbed 2 of those. Then I seen these. These are so cute. These little jack-o'-lanterns wearing witches' hats. Oh my goodness. So cute. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. I love these. These are nice. The witches' hats with the spider web. So spooky. I really like those. Oh my goodness, so cute. I'll probably say so cute about 1,000,000 times, and I know it might get on y'all's nerves, but I'm sorry. Okay, I really liked these. These are really cool, and I've never seen these ones at the Dollar Tree before, so I think this might be a new print this year. The other ones, they did kind of have something similar to that, I think, last year, but I don't remember ever seeing the bats. And this is so cool because it's like a black and white. It's not the traditional, orange and black. It's black and white. So, I could just imagine the kind of wreath I could make with that. So cool. I really like this too. It's the Harlequin print, which is really cool. So I grabbed 2 of those. So cool. The next ones are spider webs. I don't think that, at first I thought it was glittery, but it's not. It's just black and white, which is really neat. So, like that. These other 2 here, these have just all kinds of little fun things on there. It's got your candy corn, jack-o'-lanterns, skull heads, spider webs. It's got a spider on there. It says eek and spooky and boo. This is so cool. Look at the bones on there even. If that doesn't say Halloween, I don't know what does. So anyway, those are cool. And then the last 2 that I found, I mean, these don't necessarily have to be Halloween. You can use these any time of year. But I had seen people haul the ones for the fall that were the black and white buffalo plaid, and then I think there's an orange, or no, a red. I think it's a red and white buffalo plaid one. And I've been trying to find that one, but no luck. But I did find the black and white one, so that's a really good find. So I grabbed 2 of those. Okay, the next thing that I found was really cool, and I think these are new. I don't remember having seen these last year, but they are the LED light set. You get 10 lights, and they are the little fairy lights. But these are the spiders. They have spiders on there. I don't know if y'all can see those. I don't know if my camera will focus, but those are so cool. Cool and creepy. They have the spider ones. So they did have the other ones that they always have, like the jack-o'-lanterns and the bats, but I don't remember seeing the spider ones last year, so I just grabbed 1 of those. The next things that I found, now they do have these occasionally that are usually the red, I think they're red solo cups, but these were in the Halloween section, and they are black solo cups. And it's the lights, the string lights. These are so cool. So if you're having like a Halloween party or something, this would be really cool to have. It says party lights, requires 2 AA batteries. They're 3.5 feet in length, and they are for indoor use only. But those are so cool. So I grabbed 2 of them since they are kind of short. They're only 3.5 feet. But still, that's not bad for $1. And let's see, I can maybe try to take this out. I'm trying to hurry, guys. I don't know if I'm going to make the 10-minute mark. I think I'm probably going to go over it. I'll probably end up going over it. But anyway, I still wanted to show you guys what these look like because, I don't know, I thought they were really cool. You get your little battery pack back here. And they're just like those little solo cups, which I think you can buy just the solo cups, the little shooters or whatever at the Dollar Tree. And then you could probably poke your own hole in the bottom and put your own lights in there if you wanted to. But I thought those were really cool. So I grabbed 2 packages of those. Let's see, the next things that I found are really cool too. They are these, I don't know what they're calling them, decorative filler. They're the skulls, and they are glittery, but I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the white and then 1 of the black glitter ones. I thought these were really cool. There are 12 in here, so there's the black ones, and then the white ones. It didn't have any other colors, just the black and the white, so I just went ahead and grabbed 2 of the white and then 1 of the black. The next things that I found are really cool. They are these stencils. These are really neat. This one says Happy Halloween. You get 2 in here. So this one says Happy Halloween, and it's got your jack-o'-lantern, the bats, the moon. And then on the back it says Trick or Treat, and it's got everything you can think of for Halloween. Candy, ghost, witch's hat, cat, bat. I mean, so cool. So I went ahead and grabbed that one. And then they have this other one, and this one is really cool too. It says Home Sweet Haunted Home, which is really neat. And then the one on the back says Boo, and then it's got, I don't know if you guys can see that either, but and it's got like a haunted house, a cemetery down here, the witch flying on her broom, a raven. So anyway, I thought that was really spooky too. I really liked it. So grabbed that. I seen this. It's an ice cube tray, but it is vampire fangs. So I thought that was really neat. I don't think I'm going to be making ice cubes with them, but it's really neat though. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And then the last 2 things that I got, which I think are so cool, I hope that they work. They are the LED projector lights, and they had 2 different ones, so I just grabbed 1 of each. One is of a skull, and the other one is of a witch in her cauldron, which is really cool. So the skull is the orange one, which is really neat. And then the black one is the witch with the cauldron. Now they may have more with different designs on them. I'm not sure. But these were the 2 that they had at mine, and I just went ahead and grabbed 1 of each of those. But isn't that neat? I just love that one, and that's probably my favorite. It says projects lighting effects across your ceiling. Has a manual press on and off button, and it takes 2, I don't know if there's double A's. No, 2 AAA batteries. So anyway, I thought those were really cool. I'll have to see if they work. I hope they do. So anyway, that is the end of this haul, part 2. Guys, this was pretty cool. I cannot wait for Halloween. I hope that my Dollar Trees get some more Halloween goodies out. I'll be checking. I've been going almost every day this week since I've noticed that the stuff is slowly trickling in, and I don't want to miss out on anything. So anyway, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wished you would. I hope that you guys are having a good week. It's going to be the weekend soon. So anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!